How's it going, guys? Welcome to Ambro's Landscaping YouTube channel. In today's video, we're doing our first riding shotgun of the 2018 season. And so we are here doing our first cut at one of our large condos. We have this one today, and then we have another large one, the largest one tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, we have a couple more after that. And then Thursday, we're gonna be heading out to the grandparents' house to do some large hedge trimming job, the one that you guys see in every single video, as well as a little bit of mowing. And then on Friday, some more hedge trimming and yard cleanup. So we got a really busy week planned ahead of us. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we got going on right behind me. Okay, so as you guys can see, the grass is growing pretty well, so we got quite a lot to mow. And then, like I said, we got the branches. It is now starting to sprinkle a little bit, so I'm hoping that the weather will hold off for right now. We got both the Walker mowers here. Both are already fresh oil, new sharp cut blades, and so we're all good to go with these guys. So anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get to the first. Things looked really good. The edging came out really well. Took a little bit longer just because usually at the beginning of the season, the grass typically, those edges that we constantly edge are kind of get filled in with debris and stuff like that. So we filled up the truck today, so we'll get this all dumped tomorrow. Like I said, the reason why we don't have the diesel is because we did a small install last Friday, and so that's still completely full of gravel, which I'll be taking to another job later this week. So that's the reason why we have the Chevy. And I actually prefer driving the Chevy, just especially around town, just because it's an automatic. So it's just easy to get up and go, especially like for instance, heading off home to go to lunch. It's just so much easier. So it's been a great truck. Like I said, no major problems yet. So, but other than that, the beds came out really well. Like I said, the crisp edge, that's what I really like to do. And basically, yeah, so that's it, guys. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but it's time for me to head off home. So we're gonna be doing another riding shotgun tomorrow. That may hopefully be uploaded the next day, or if not, a couple days. So we're doing the same thing, just a lot of mowing, a lot of trimming, beginning of the season, getting things cleaned up, and then soon we'll be getting things fertilized as well. I will be showing you guys, probably most likely tomorrow or in the next video, currently what the shop looks like. It's still a lot of work in progress right now. There's still a lot of, mostly half the shop is basically completely filled with spare wood and stuff to finish off the house. So I got one side completely cleaned up and getting it all organized for, you know, my whole shop setup, so that everything has a specific place. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Ambro's Landscaping.